Gentleman from Illinois yields back. For what purposes, the gentleman from Minnesota seek recognition? Without objection, gentleman from Minnesota is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Last week, the American people spoke, and I, for one, heard them loud and clear. Quit arguing and get your dang work done. My suggestion is we've got a piece that we can do today. Pass the Farm Bill for America. America's farm economy has been one of the bright spots over the last 5 years, and our farmers and our consumers deserve some certainty. The House has already passed through the Ag Committee with a 2/3 vote the Farm Bill. The Senate passed the Farm Bill with a 2/3 majority. They couldn't agree. It's Wednesday over there, yet they passed a Farm Bill. This bill adds certainty to rural America. It creates jobs on Main Street. It provides stable prices in the grocery store and makes sure drought-stricken areas of our country make sure our farmers are there to produce. This is a jobs bill. It's a bipartisan bill. It's a compromise. Every major farm and nutrition group has asked for it to be done. All we need to do, bring it to the floor and push one of the two buttons. Yes for jobs in rural America and food for this country, or no for more gridlock. I think we want the green button. I yield back.
The gentleman yields back. For what purpose does the gentleman from Texas seek recognition?
Ask unanimous consent to